And a silent, lonely night, I was staring at the sky. Even stars were crying softly as your memory passed by. The wind carries your whisper, I still hear your voice so clear. But when I open my eyes again, I realize you're not here. You never came back to me, though I waited endlessly. My heart keeps calling your name, but you're gone too far away. You promised forever love, now those words just fade away. What we built together once turned into pain that stays. The roads we walked together now feel empty and cold. Your smile became a shadow, a story left untold. I try hard to forget you, but forgetting feels so wrong. You were always my dream, now I'm lost without your love. You never came back to me, though I waited endlessly. My heart keeps calling your name, but you're gone too far away. You promised forever love, now those words just fade away. What we built together once turned into pain that stays. If somehow you hear me now, just know I still care. Even with a broken heart, my love is still there. You never came back.